What's great about the Counselor Roadshow is you'll see the counselors from each school present in those visits, but you'll also see some site administrators from the school site. You'll see some district administrators. You'll see school board members. So while there's a lot of talk around kids going to college, that may not be the case for all students. And so we try to give students exposure to different career opportunities. And when they finish one of our courses, our pathways, they leave with industry-level certification. So if they wanted to, they could go straight into a job.
I think the ROP program being such accessible for students is great because it allows students to have an opportunity to explore the programs. A lot of students have the opportunity to switch out of a program, and it's really helpful to know what you want to do.
Our vision is really to inspire career possibilities for all students. You know, in high school and general education, we think we're preparing students for that world ahead, but so many times our students leave high school and do enter college and still don't know what they want to do. So my hope is that they have a better understanding so that when they leave high school, they are more informed to make those better decisions to enter the career field that they're truly interested in, maybe sooner than their peers, or at least better equipped.
So I'm a part of the medical pathway here at Colton High School, and my experience so far has been incredible. I've obtained so many certifications. It's just been an overall amazing experience.
The Roadshow is basically an opportunity for us to get some adults into those classrooms to see the great things happening. They hear about regional occupational program in general, but when they actually see the students interacting with each other, hands-on activity, whether it be turning a wrench on a car or welding two pieces of metal together, those hands-on activities really make the learning meaningful.
I think it's important to have hands-on experience because you should be prepared to have something straight out of high school. A lot of students don't know what they want to do in college. Me personally, I had no idea what I wanted to do. I joined welding because it seemed like something fun, something out of my comfort zone. A lot of students, when they first join, they're a little bit scared of the sparks and the flames, but once you get used to it, it becomes really fun. It's really, personally, it's kind of like a zen for me. Like, you can kind of meditate and you just focus on what you're doing and you're kind of really in the moment.
The Counselor Roadshow in particular is important because we bring our counselors in very strategically late fall, because in the spring they'll be sitting down with students and looking at course options. And sometimes when you know you're going to take English, you know you're going to take math, but what do I look at for electives? And so we want the counselors who are helping them make those decisions to have firsthand knowledge of what goes on in our courses.
It has helped me in so many ways. I was able to take my state test. I got state certified. I could start working now. And it's just been, it was fantastic to see such a positive outcome from an amazing organization such as ROP.